In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Agile CRM. Now, when people say download Agile CRM, what they usually mean is, how do I use Agile CRM like a proper app on my computer? Agile CRM is actually cloud-based software, which means it runs in your web browser rather than as a traditional program you install from a file. But the good news is you can still set it up so it behaves just like a desktop app on both Windows and Mac using your browser. First, open your preferred browser on your computer. This works best with Chrome or Microsoft Edge. In the address bar, go to the Agile CRM login page and sign into your account, or open the main page you regularly use for your Agile CRM work. Make sure the page you're on is the one you want quick access to, because this is what will be turned into your app. Once you're on the right page in Chrome or Edge, look toward the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots. This is often called the More Options or 3 dots menu. Click on that icon to open the browser menu. In that menu, look for an option that mentions saving, sharing, or installing the page. Depending on your browser version and language, this may appear under a section called something like Save and Share. Take a moment to find that section, then hover over or click it to reveal additional choices. Here you should see an option that says Install Page as App or something very similar. Go ahead and click that. Your browser will then prompt you to confirm the installation. You may be asked to choose a name for the app. By default, it will usually say something like Agile CRM, which you can keep as is for clarity. After you confirm, the browser will create a standalone app version of that Agile CRM page. You'll now find it in your Applications list or Start menu, and in many cases, it will also create a shortcut on your desktop or dock. When you open it, Agile CRM will launch in its own window without the usual browser interface, making it feel much more like a native desktop application. From now on, you can simply click that app icon whenever you want to jump straight into Agile CRM, just like any other installed program on your computer.